case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2005 Florida District Court of Appeal case, O'Brien v. O'Brien, the court dealt with a contentious divorce proceeding involving the interception of electronic communications. The wife had secretly installed spyware on the husband's computer, monitoring his activities and capturing private online chats with another woman. Upon discovering the spyware, the husband sought temporary and permanent injunctions to prevent disclosure of the conversations and to bar the wife from engaging in such activity in the future. The trial court granted the husband's requests, excluding the intercepted communications from the divorce proceedings and issuing a final judgment of dissolution of marriage. The wife unsuccessfully appealed this decision and requested a rehearing, which was denied. The appellate court upheld the exclusion of illegally intercepted electronic communications as evidence, reasoning that such acquisition was punishable under the Florida Act. Consequently, the orders and final judgment in the case were upheld, reinforcing the principle that illegally obtained electronic communications cannot be used as evidence in legal proceedings.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class behind.